Welcome to another Achieving Science video. This video is going to look at the differences between alkanes and alkenes. Well, first of all, how can you tell them apart? Well, for this what we need to do is we need to look at their structures. So if we take two examples, if we take ethane in the first case, ethane contains two carbons. We can draw its displayed formula, and if we draw its displayed formula it will look as this. Now if we take an alkene, alkenes are different. Let's take ethene. Ethene again contains two carbons. Let's again look at its displayed formula. Now that we have both of these displayed formulas, we can look at the differences and similarities. First of all, we can see that they both contain two carbons. Ethane though has a difference. It contains two more hydrogen atoms and it contains only single bonds. On the other hand, ethene has two less hydrogen atoms and also has a double carbon-carbon bond, shown by the two lines in between the carbons. But how else can you tell them apart? Well, there are some rules. We say that all alkanes are said to be saturated. This is because they contain only single bonds. Alkenes, on the other hand, contain the double bond. We therefore say they are unsaturated. This makes them more reactive. One of the reactions that they undergo then is an addition reaction. So if we take the alkene, named ethene, we react it with bromine, we then have a reaction. In this reaction the double bond splits open. There are still four hydrogen atoms, but the two bromine atoms now join. So when we react with the bromine, an orangey brownish red solution changes to a colourless solution, and we can use this as a means of determining whether we have an alkane or an alkene. If we had used an alkane, there would have been no reaction. This is because the alkenes are saturated. They don't have the double bond to break open, and therefore the bromine is unable to react with it. So in summary, alkenes. Alkenes have a double covalent bond. They are said to be unsaturated hydrocarbons, as the double bond can open up and let things join in. They will decolorize bromine water as they form bonds with the bromine. They are more reactive than alkanes due to the presence of the double bond, and they have the general formula of CnH2n. Finally, let's just look at some of the displayed formulas. If we take the first three alkenes, we have ethene, we have propene, and then finally we have butene. And then finally let's just look at the displayed formula for each of them, which are going to appear on the screen now.